Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Ebony Nicole and I am back again with another video. So today's video is very interesting. I got an email from this company. It's called HighOh. Yes, you did read the caption, the title correct. These are reusable menstrual pads. I was a little skeptical at first. I'm like, reusable menstrual pads? Who reuses a pad? So, but y'all, these things are so freaking like convenient. They sent me the a cute little kit. You keep your reusable bags in here. I mean your reusable pads in here. Y'all know my camera don't like to focus. This is a cute little bag, I think, to hold them. I'm not sure if you are to wash them in this, but you can just hand wash them. That's what I did during my trial use of these pads. So I asked for the heavy, like overnight size pads. I have a heavy flow, that's what I was gonna say, but I have a heavy flow. So this is the pad that they sent me. First of all, these are environmentally friendly menstrual pads. You can use these over and over again. Do absorb the menstrual fluid. They absorb the blood very well. It's super soft, like this material. This is one that I did not use, so I'm not like touching one that I used and like washed out. So yeah, this is totally new. It's super soft, and from using it the whole time of my menstrual cycle, and not just one, but I used like 2 of them. I got a total of 4, and why am I snapping this thing like y'all can't hear that? I used like 2 or 3 of them during my cycle, and when I tell you, it was like I felt like nothing was there. I didn't have to go and constantly 2 to 3 hours or 4 hours, you know, after putting on my first one. I didn't have to go constantly change it. I basically wore it for the whole day, and you could barely see that it was any blood on the pad at all. It's got moisture. It's made with bamboo, first of all, and it has these little snaps on the back. I can snap it now. So you can snap it onto your underwear. They said that it's best to wear them with underwear that are really tight fitting, not like super tight, but that are form fitting to your body, so that it can the pad can stay in place. Fit very good in my underwear. Like I had coverage in the front and in the back, because sometimes, you know, I don't know, when we sit down, lay down, sometimes it'll come to the front and then sometimes it'll go to the back. I don't know, it's just weird. The female body is just something else. But I really love these pads. Yeah, so these pads are, like I said, they're made with bamboo. They have no perfume, no dyes, there's no leakage, no waste, so they're environmentally friendly. Like that, what else can you get out of a pad? It's already upsetting
me in my home, girl,
that when we do have our menstrual cycles, some females have more enjoyable cycles. Some don't have as many cramps or that much discomfort during our cycle. And I envy you, because I don't know what be going on with me. I just be feeling like a whole nother person. You can ask my mom. She says, phew, I'm just like a whole nother person when I'm on my cycle. And these were, I feel like I didn't get as many cramps either. I don't know if it could be what's made, that it's naturally made, or it could be that, I don't know. I know pads, regular pads, they do have, not chemicals, well chemicals, yeah, stuff in them to keep so they can be like long lasting, not long lasting, but you can get a lot of hours of use out of them. I really enjoyed using these pads, and shout out to Siri, that is one of the co-owners of the company. Her is a small business, small family business. So I just want to tell y'all, you can enjoy 10% off of your kit. It says enjoy 10% off using the code I love HighOh. Yeah, and then here are their where you can follow them on social media, as well as their website and their email address. I'm going to tell you on here again to wear tight underwear with our HighOh pads, like classic briefs, high cut briefs, and control briefs, so they can hold the pad in place a little better. So yes, you guys, I have thoroughly enjoyed this brand of pads, and I'll probably they sent me these, but I think I want to make another purchase and like get some more. But really, like 4 is good enough depending on how your cycle is. But they're easy, super easy to wash out. You basically just have to put them in water, and like I just put them and run them out of water and just squeezed it out. And it's kind of gross because it's just like, ew. It's period blood, but it comes out of us, it's in our body, so it's just like, what the heck ever. But they were super easy to clean out. It took me about 5 minutes to wash it out. Yeah, because I have a heavy cycle, and in the beginning, the first couple of days, it's really heavy. So yeah, that was that. But other than that, these are really great. They're environmentally friendly, so I say go get you some HighOh pads. Tell them Ebony sent you. Y'all know how I do. I wouldn't tell you nothing. I wouldn't make this video if I didn't think that it was good for you. So if it's any guys watching, tell your girlfriends, tell your sisters, tell your mama. And all my ladies, make sure you tell your best friends, tell your sisters, tell your cousins, all of them to go buy HighOh pads. I will put the link in the description below, so make sure you click it, and then I'll put the promo code down there too, just in case if you forgot. So yes, thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next. Make sure you like this video, make sure you leave a comment. Let me know if you're thinking about buying them, or what do you think of reusable pads. And make sure, if you're not subscribed, to subscribe, to tell a friend, to tell a friend, to tell your auntie, and tell their cousin them to subscribe to the channel. The channel is almost monetized. We're at 3,300 hours. And we have a little over 600 hours to go. A little under 600 hours to go. So we are almost there, okay? So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.